Hey y'all, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I'm Trip with Gorman Sales.
I'm Gerald from InMotion, representing Skillveri today. Thank you for having me.
Gerald introduced to me a couple months ago a software developed by a company called Skillveri called the Extended Reality Skill Trainer. It's really neat, wonderful tool for helping to train new students at technical colleges in multiple applications for welding, HVAC, solar,
Painting,
all kinds of things.
those kind of things.
Yeah.
We even had instructors telling us they're going to do the assessment with the new students coming in for the first day just with that system now. Because you can go through different levels of expertise, you have about a week of training just with that Oculus and the software. That brings you much closer to the real world, much quicker, and with a lot of expenses saved.
And that's it. It's about giving welders that muscle memory that they need, like with work angle, torch angle, stick out, welding speed. You know, these things that could take weeks to learn, quite frankly, and instead of wasting time and materials, they can instead use this system to do it.
And they always can go back. If you do now a pipe weld, for example, you can select the pipe weld and have them during this 6 months period of the class. Hey, let's go back. You're now good on the fillet weld. We do pipe weld. Let's do pipe weld training first on the Skillveri system.
Yeah.
So you always can go back and work on your skills on the muscle memory.
We've talked about it a lot. Let's play.
Yeah, let's fire it up and show a little bit of the features and benefits.
So he's gonna put on the Oculus VR headset. And once you get it installed though, you can see how quickly and easily you can get going. There's tons of functionality. You can choose different joint configurations, different gas mixtures, different wires. You can do stick, you can do TIG, you can do MIG. Remember, the main things we're focusing on are work angle, torch angle, your stick out, and welding speed. Those are those muscle memories that we're trying to teach the entry-level welder with this software. So when he finishes with this bead, it's going to basically give him a scorecard, showing him all of his scores on those 4 metrics. Again, torch angle, stick out, welding speed. You can see here, he's finishing. Now he can actually, turn the machine off, which means you're done. You can bring up a scorecard. Boom, excellent.
Pass.
You passed. Oh, well done. If you're going to invest in something like this, you're probably going to want to see a demo of it in person, try it out yourself. You can reach out to Gerald at skillveri.com. We'll have that down at the bottom of the screen. He's the guy to get in touch with. And if you're interested in getting a free demo of this system, because we know before you make a purchase like this, you're going to want to try it yourself. Gerald, what's the best way for them to get in touch with you?
Just get in touch with me through my phone number, which is displayed down here, or through Gerald at skillveri.com. We also can discuss, give you a demo license for a certain amount of time when you get your own Oculus. A lot of possibilities, making them analyze what you really need, talk it through what's important for you and for your students. So I think that's going to be the best way to do so.
Yeah, excellent. Thank you very much. We appreciate your time.
Thank you.